Welcome to iPhone Tips and Tricks. Calculator is probably the most frequently used app in iPhone. We discuss about 5 tips using calculator in iPhone. If you make a mistake entering wrong number, there is an easy way to erase the digit entered. Simply swipe left, or swipe right, at the top of the number. If you need to erase more numbers, then swipe again. Sometimes you need to use calculator to perform more complex calculation. Rotate your iPhone into landscape orientation. Then the calculator will automatically switch to scientific calculator. Rotate to portrait orientation back, will return to normal calculator. Copying and pasting number is easy. You can tab and hold the number, then select copy. Or you can also double tab the number, and select copy. Then single tab or double tab, to paste the number. You can make iPhone to speak the number. Single tab or double tab the number, then select speak. If this option is not visible, then turn it on, via accessibility under settings. You can also make iPhone to spell the number. Single tab or double tab the number, then select spell. If this option is not visible, then turn it on, via accessibility under settings. This feature can be useful on certain circumstances. I hope you enjoy this short video. Please share your view and feedback. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you and have a nice day.